$100 is not your base case.
Right.
You just say it's possible that could happen. What is your base case, and how do you look at it right now?
Right. So our base case is that we're going to be meaningfully higher relative to the forward and consensus next year. So if you think about where we were a couple months ago, I came out here and said, look, we think oil is going to $80 a barrel. We're pretty close now. We're 77.5. Now for next year, the market was in backwardation, spot price above forward, right? So the market was pricing in a $65, $67 outcome. And we're saying, no, it's going to be close to 75 average. We think the high point could be over 90. And we think that we could be as high as 100. And part of it is really that we've realized that there is a big gap. And by the way, we're not even assuming that there is a large amount of Iranian oil that leaves the market. If we have a 1 million barrels a day of Iranian oil lost because of the sanctions,
which is exactly what Bob Dudley was saying
right.
over the weekend.
Right, exactly. If you lose a million barrels, remember, Venezuela is a complete chaos. So we've already lost 600,000 barrels a day of Venezuelan oil. We're losing more every day, and now we could be losing Iranian oil. And I'm not sure that the market is prepared for that. I hear these comments, oh, we have enough spare capacity. Sure, you got the spare capacity, but we're going to be running out of it if we try to replace, what do we do with the next shock, right?
So when the UAE energy minister says, we've got it covered, right. Don't you worry, do you go, disagree?
Disagree, yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think they definitely will. I mean, I think, look, OPEC can cover it in the short run. The problem is, as I said earlier, we could lose another 500,000, another million barrels from Venezuela. We could lose barrels somewhere else, maybe Libya. What are we going to do then, right? The Iranian sanctions, I think, are a bit of a problem for the market. I don't think we fully appreciate how much of a problem they are. And if you think about the case of aluminum, that gives you a sense of how tariffs and sanctions can affect prices in commodities.